Bama, Bama, are you ready?
Ready.
Spanner Nigeria, are you ready?
Active.
Start!
Spanner Malawi. Spanner Malawi. Spanner Malawi.
Spanner
Malawi.
Spanner Nigeria.
Nigeria. Spanner Nigeria. Nigeria.
Spanner Nigeria.
Malawi.
Bama Nigeria. Bama Nigeria.
Malawi.
Bama easy, Bama easy, Bama easy, Bama easy. Take water.
Let's go.
Bama take water. Spanner still island.
Malawi, let's go. Malawi. Let's go.
Bama take water. Malawi, Malawi. Malawi.
Malawi. Hey! Let's go, Malawi. Zulu
Yeah, you said yeah, I feel like
You choked 3 of them.
Malawi was waiting for him to.
I'm not sure.
No, he hold on from out. He hold on from out. Meanwhile, Bama also hold from out. Spanner hold from out.
You supposed to swallow.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
GG game.
So that is
No, it's a draw.
Mama, sit down.
Spanner. You dey play draw. Spanner draw, abi?
Now you win. When I have to do that, now you come win. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
He hooked me for next. No, next video, guys, I beg. Next video.
Guys, please comment and tell us who is the winner.
Yes. For me, my brother from Malawi won.
Yeah. Representing Salima. You're my nigga here. All right, guys. So good. So good.
Come.
Yeah. It's still on. Yeah, right.
You want to chop?
Yeah. Yeah, my brother. My brother from another mother. Yeah.
The one who helped me to be here in Nigeria.
Yes. One family, guys. Yeah, I've been to Malawi, I represent Salima, Mribanje,